I lost 70 pounds naturally and have kept it off for years. I'm not in my 20s, I'm not in my 30s, I am a mom in her 40s. So let's talk about the differences between Plantifully Simple and Plantifully Lean. Target does have both of these $10 off each still. So if you need your copies, now is the time to get them. You can get Plantifully Simple in the store and Plantifully Lean online. Check before you go though, because I've heard from a lot of you that Plantifully Simple is out in a lot of Target stores. Because next week we're jumping right into the recipes from Plantifully Simple and Plantifully Lean, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to lose 70 pounds without counting calories and keep it off all these years. And once again, thank you guys for making these books national bestsellers. I cannot thank you enough. Okay, so let's start with Plantifully Lean. I've heard from tens of thousands of you guys over the years that have lost weight and kept it off with everything I teach you in here. Plantifully Lean is absolutely foundational. This is where I teach you guys how I was able to lose 70 pounds without counting calories and keep it off. I teach you guys about calorie density, which makes it so you don't have to count calories when you understand those concepts, and then you apply all the plate building methods that I teach you in here to every meal to help you be able to eat large volumes of food for less calories. Understanding calorie density is absolutely essential to be able to have long-term success with weight loss and how to apply the plate building methods that I teach you in this book. So if you don't have either of these books and you can only afford one, I really recommend you start with Plantifully Lean because it is absolutely foundational. The recipes are foundational. They make weight loss sustainable and attainable. But again, they are each $10 off right now at Target, so I highly, highly, highly recommend that you get them both while they're on sale. What about protein? What about fat? What about the high carbohydrate intake? I go over all those questions in detail. This really truly is your weight loss guide and manual. And this book includes all of my most famous recipes, my famous cheese sauce, my famous ranch, all my dressings. Plantifully Lean is absolutely foundational. Now, Plantifully Simple is my magnum opus. Look how gorgeous she is. In Plantifully Simple, you're gonna get a quick reminder course on the principles of calorie density. I introduced a new plate called the Lean Plate for those that love plate building. And this plate is gonna help you move through those stubborn plateaus. We all hit plateaus. I hit them. They're very frustrating, but I know how to get you through them. What's new in this book is I am now bringing in the concept of calorie tracking and how to do it correctly. I didn't lose weight tracking calories. I used the plate building method, but those last 5 to 15 pounds can be extremely troublesome. So it makes the process go a lot quicker when you can collect data, i.e. calorie tracking, and based on that data, make precise adjustments so that you can see the progress that you want to see on your weight loss journey. And I go through all the do's and don'ts of creating a calorie deficit, how to do it correctly, and the pitfalls to avoid, which I see so often when it comes to tracking calories that can really sabotage your results. Get a whole section on planning for success and a whole maintenance section. Now that you've gotten to where you want to get to, how do you maintain it? I go over all of that in here. And there are meal plans in this book, just like in Plantifully Lean, but in this book, I give you two 28-day meal plans, one that is super simple and repetitive for my monotonous eaters that just need things to be quick and easy, and then one that provides more variety for those that love to be in the kitchen and want something different to eat often. Now, I call Plantifully Simple my magnum opus because of the recipes. They are every bit as delicious as the recipes that I'm famous for in Plantifully Lean, but I have made these recipes just as tasty, but even easier. Just the taco section in this book makes me swoon. Plus the pasta section, dressings, so good. So next week, we're gonna be jumping straight into the recipes from both of these books. I'm gonna be showing you what a full day of eating can look like for weight loss. Plantifully Lean is basically all the recipes that I formulated for myself to be able to lose these 70 pounds and keep it off all of these years. So I'm gonna be showing you guys lots of things. Now, my oven is currently out of commission. We're hoping to get it up and running this weekend. It may go into next week. So if I don't start off the week with recipe videos, don't worry, I'm gonna have other content for you guys. We're gonna talk weight loss, what it looks like, what to do, and I'll be able to answer some questions. All right, so get ready this weekend, pick out some recipes that you wanna try, take a look at the meal plans, get your groceries. If you don't already have your books, now I'm telling you is the time to get them because of the sales that Target is running. Amazon also has these on sale, so definitely don't wanna miss the time when they're each $10 off. Everything, of course, is always linked in my bio. And let me know in the comments any weight loss questions you have so that I can make content from those questions for you guys.